Welcome back to Capitol Review. We're here with the Senate President of the Maryland General Assembly, Senator Bill Ferguson. Now, Senator, another big topic from the special session were veto overrides. One of them now removes a governor from the parole process for people serving life sentences. Why was it necessary to remove a governor, and who will make that decision now?
It's a great question. And this was really about taking the politics out of parole and creating a more just and fair criminal justice system overall. 47 other states already have this in place. And my sort of perspective on this was either we trust our parole system or we don't. And so to have just one area where there was this intervening force just didn't make sense, and disproportionately impacted communities of color. I believe in our parole system. They are professionals that are selected and trained and review all of the various impacts of every case. And I respect their opinions enormously. And then I would say, if you ask past governors, what is one thing they regret? It was their impact in this question about parole. And so it's better for Maryland overall, and I think was more fair for the state moving forward.
And there were a number of immigration reforms passed during the special session. What should Marylanders know about the Dignity Not Detention Act?
Look, this is, so many of our neighbors who are voiceless in our communities, but are absolutely essential to our economy, have been treated as subclass citizens. And what we know is the immigration system in the United States is broken. I think that's a universally agreed upon fact. The issue is that's a federal problem. And states should not be bearing the brunt and the costs and the energy of trying to fix something we cannot control. And so what these bills did was treat Marylanders who are living in our state, who are our neighbors and who are working in our businesses with the same dignity and respect as you would any other resident. And so the fundamental premise here is we should not be using our state limited resources to enforce federal law when the federal government can't get its act together. And so, this puts Maryland in a place to be a welcoming community where we are thoughtful and we treat everyone with respect and ensures that everyone can live the hopefully Maryland dream.
All right, Senate President Bill Ferguson, thank you so much for being here and for your time during such a busy week for you. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Stay safe and happy holidays.
And after the break, a look at what else happened in Annapolis this past week and the latest in the nation's capital.